play is to be staged on annual school function day. Mita, Rukshana, Badol, Ruku and Salma are to act in it. The play is based on the presence of English in today's Bengal.
The stage is set as the inside of a hut. There is a bed, a jug of water, and two trunks. Mother and her daughter are sitting on a floor mat. The daughter is braiding her mother's long hair. A comb lies by her. The stage is lit by dim yellow light.
Characters: Bikash, Bikash mother. Ruma, Bikash sister. English language, Bengali language. Mother, Bikash has been gone for 6 months. I miss my son very much. Ruma, I miss him too, but he had to go. You know, he had to attend that language learning course. Mother, we are Bengalis. After all, I don't understand why we need to learn English. Ruma, because we'll be able to explain that. There is a sound of knocking on the door. Ruma gets up, goes to the left wing. She makes a gesture of opening a door. Mother, who is it, Ruma? Just then, Bikash steps in, smiling. He carries several brown paper parcels. Bikash holds Ruma's hand and approaches his mother. Ruma smiles happily. Mother, oh, Bikash, how wonderful! We were talking about you just now. Bikash, yes, mother, it is me. I have some great news for you. I am a postal service employee now. I sat for an examination. I passed and joined this service. Ruma, that's really great. But how did all this happen? Bikash, a lot of office work in Bengal is done in English. I was greatly benefited by the English class I attend. I have understood that it is important to know English and Bengali equally well. Mother, is this a permanent job? Bikash, yes, absolutely. See, I have bought saris and sweets for you and Ruma. He gives Ruma the parcels. Mother, I am so happy. They sit down on the floor mat. They talk in low, excited voices. The light dims. One girl actor enters from the left of the stage. A board with Bengali written on it is pinned to her chest. She reaches the center of the stage. She stands with her face to one side. From the right of the stage, another girl actor enters. On her chest, she has a board with English written on it. The two languages come close to each other. English language, sisters, Bengali language. Yes. English language. You look worried. Will you tell me why? Bengali language. I was the queen of Bengal's speech. This is my land, my people. But now everyone is keen to learn English. English language. You see, India is a big country. People speak different languages here, but many of them know English. I help them to understand each other. Bengali language. You are right. English language. I link the different regions together. So I am needed for my usefulness. But you live in the hearts of your people. Look at this family. She points to the family on the floor mat. Bengali language. Shall we stay like sisters then? English language. Yes, come, let's hold hands. They hold hands, music plays, the light dims, the curtain falls.
This video is presented by Shethans. Are you like to listen stories? If you want to watch these like stories of school books, you may click to below given covers. If you interested, may like, share and subscribe to Shethans. Thank you.